Hey CMC crew, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ashley, this is CrossMack Creations, and if you enjoy this video, you can subscribe to become a part of the crew as well. So we're on episode number 3 of CrossMack MAYhem, and today it's going to be very different type of video. I'm going to kind of do like a vlog. My dad, grandfather, and I are going to a car show, and the reason why I want to bring you guys with me is because they're supposed to have craft tables and things like that, and so I'm excited to see what they have and maybe get inspiration, because I would like to do a craft vendor. I would like to be a craft vendor one day, and maybe that's something you guys are interested in. So we're gonna see if we can find some craft tables and maybe even buy some things and just hang out. We're just doing something different for CrossMack MAYhem, so I hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, and when you comment, to put hashtag CMC crew, so your comment has a chance to be the comment of the day. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I did bring I have my camera on me, so we'll see if I can get some nice pictures too. Maybe I'll share those. We're here.
Oh my goodness.
Grandpa, say hi to my camera.
How you gonna cover that, Ash?
I'm sorry?
Look at all the tables.
We're walking through all of them. Say hi, Dad.
It's,
We made it. Look,
oh my goodness.
there's a lot of stuff here. So we made it in. It was $1. We got our wristbands and our map. The map keeper here. And there's like a million different tents. And it's hot. I wore the wrong clothes because I didn't expect it to be this hot out, but it's okay. I don't even know where to start.
Right? I guess go straight down, huh?
What's over here? Dog treats. Hello. Look at the. I can't. You just look back and forth. Oh wait, I love crochet things. Hi. I'm good. How are you? Where? There's a dog one. There's corn on the cob. Look, ramen noodles, Dad. Hi. Look at the birdhouses made with recycled material. Ooh, red velvet. Cinnamon roll. Oh my goodness. Oh, is this paparazzi? Got ceramics over here. Hi. hope you all enjoyed some of the footage I got from the craft fair and the car show. I had a great time hanging out with my dad and my grandpa today. Met a lot of nice people. I don't know, I'm still getting used to recording out in public, so I didn't record everything. And then I realized a lot of my footage, for some reason the camera was pointed to the ground. I don't know. I have the DJI Pocket 3 camera, so I'm still kind of learning how to do it. It's good when it's just sitting on my desk and I'm recording, but actually going out and vlogging with it, I'm still trying to figure out the gimbal part. But hopefully I got some good enough footage. I'm going to put that video together, but before I end out the video, I just wanted to show you guys some of the things I got from the craft fair. Start with this one. This really nice lady was selling wax melts, and I have a wax melter thing, and so I wanted some for my room to put in there. So this is buttercream vanilla scent. Obviously you guys can't smell it, but this is how they come. So I got buttercream vanilla, and then I got prairie butter. I might be reading the first part wrong, but I got that one, and they smell good. So I got those. They were $2.50 each, so 2 for $5. And then I'm so excited about this. From the table, there was a table with beaded pens, and I've always wanted to make beaded pens. And I have a bunch of the kits in my Amazon cart that I haven't purchased yet, but she had kits for sale, so I got this. Can you see it? This was $15, and I'm super excited because, of course, I'm going to do a video with them. And I got Stitch theme pretty much because I have the Stitch latch hook kit, and also just celebrating that the movie is coming out as well. So I got that, and I'll show you everything that comes with that in the video that I do when I open this up. But I got this. And then one of my most favorite things I got, y'all, I got a tumbler. Look how beautiful, just like the colors, they're so vibrant. It says music is my life. It has a piano, keys, and it has music notes, and it's just so beautiful. It came with this bumper on it already, and her business name on the bottom. And it came with the straw and a straw cleaner. I personally put this cap on it because I have a bunch of these caps from when I was selling my bling tumbler, so I put the cap on that. But yeah, it's so pretty and beautiful. The lady, she was so nice. We just started talking. She was telling me everything I need because that's one of the things I want to do is sublimation. And she was telling me the things I should buy for it and just giving me tips and ideas. And I really do appreciate that. And then I was showing her my bling tumblers. And yeah, it was just a great experience. I had a great time. I'm getting myself out there and I'm talking to strangers. And I'm not being so scary about it. So I don't know, it's great. I didn't feel comfortable putting the camera in her face while she was giving me the advice, though, so I just sat and talked, and I just stood there and talked to her, but I had a really great time. Fun fact, my first ever instrument I played was the clarinet in 5th grade band, and then moved on to piano, and then I was playing that for my church, and then somehow I ended up being the church drummer. I don't know. And I have a bass guitar that I'm trying to teach myself. It's kind of difficult, but fun at the same time. I hope to get a teacher one day, though, because I think I do better that way. But, it's all great here. I love music, literally. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying CrossMack MAYhem. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. #CMC Crew. And your comment could be the comment of the day. Bye, guys.